हमारा फ्लाइट कैंसिल हो चुका है.
We were
Yeah,
so
we were-
excited guys to हमने full packing विकिंग सब कुछ किया था, सब रेडी था.
फ्लाइट कैंसिल हुआ, बुरा तो लगा बट इट वाज नॉट इन आवर हैंड, सो वी हैड टू गिव इट सम टाइम. और हमने सोचा कि ओके फाइन, आई मीन इट्स अ बैड टाइम फॉर एवरीवन, नॉट दैट ओनली वी आर अफेक्टेड. तो हम लोगों ने रिफंड के लिए अप्लाई किया. वी डिडंट वांट टू कीप आवर होप्स अलाइव विद एयर इंडिया ओनली. वी वांटेड टू गेट बी रेडी फॉर एनी चार्टर्ड फ्लाइट्स जो कभी भी आ सकता था. चार्टर फ्लाइट ऐसे होते हैं कि दे आर अनाउंस मे बी जस्ट 2 or 3 days in advance, not even like Air India वंदे भारत मिशन. At least Air India के flights they release it 1 week in advance. It's like चट मंगनी पट ब्या. एक चार्टर फ्लाइट रिलीज हुआ. इट वाज समवेयर ड्यूरिंग एंड ऑफ जुलाई. इट वाज गोइंग टू पर्थ, पर प्रॉब्लम ये था कि उसके जो टिकट थे वो काफी महंगे थे.
बहुत महंगे.
तो we decided we should not go ahead with this क्योंकि काफी सारा पैसा था and we didn't want to invest so much.
We were ready for it, but then
We didn't want to invest so much.
We didn't want to invest
So much. We would have landed in Perth, पर इतना सारा पैसा डालना मतलब बहुत सोचना था.
Plus life scratch से start करना in Australia.
Yes.
Again you need funds for that as well.
Yes.
So we didn't want to take such a huge risk.
Yes.
So on 31st of July और एक chartered flight arrange हुई.
Delhi to Adelaide.
So the tickets were not that expensive. They were expensive, but not that much also. They were more than Air India ticket cost.
We thought we can give it a try.
Yeah. So we were all ready to book tickets for that charter flight. So हम लोग बहुत ही मतलब active थे on Telegram, on Twitter and on WhatsApp.
We were all
groups.
set.
Oh, by the way, guys, there are different types of groups and also WhatsApp. There are many links that you'll find on Facebook as well. Or you can join those groups and interact with people and get to know what is going on. If there are any more flights coming up, and yeah, you would know everything. It would be more easier.
And also there are many Telegram groups जहाँ पे आपको काफी सारा information मिल सकता है. But yes, at times these groups could be a nuisance क्योंकि काफी सारे messages आते हैं.
बहुत सारे messages आते हैं.
Try to be negative, but I would say कि just read those messages which are useful to you, which you feel useful. Otherwise बाकी सारे messages just ignore them.
Yeah.
So once they release the date of the flight, they will tell you what time the tickets will
be. Be released. The tickets will be released. And हम लोगों ने chartered flight जब we were like interested in booking the chartered flights, we set the timing was 5 PM. I remember 5 PM sharp हम लोग बैठे थे लैपटॉप लेके, ऐप लेके, टेलीग्राम ऐप to book the tickets. But क्या हुआ? We didn't even understand. Within few seconds, the tickets were sold out. मतलब
many people must have experienced this.
Experienced, yes.
क्योंकि we literally was sitting on the laptop.
हम लोग refresh कर रहे थे, देख रहे थे, कुछ भी नहीं मतलब sold out within few seconds. Like we were like so surprised. ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है?
So we were literally sitting on laptop, basically 2 laptops plus 1 phone for 5 hours.
3
फिर भी
phones.
हमें
फिर भी नहीं मिला.
फिर भी हमें tickets नहीं मिला. So we were pretty disappointed with this.
We were very disappointed.
And we said, okay, fine, it happens. तो हम लोगों ने वो छोड़ दिया and we moved on.
So ये chapter भी हमारा खत्म हो गया to book a charter flight or to Adelaide.
Next thing ये होता है कि Air India releases 2 flights to Adelaide. One on 3rd August and the other one 6th August. So we were pretty excited. हो सकते हैं then we should try and get a Melbourne tickets transferred to Adelaide flight.
Remember, we had booked our first ticket on 10th of July. So we wanted to transfer that ticket क्योंकि हमें refund अभी तक नहीं मिला था. So we wanted to transfer that 10th July का ticket to the Adelaide flight which was going in the month of August to any of the dates.
We went to the AI office this time. We didn't manage to secure any ticket office.
So we informed the concerned person that ma'am जब भी ticket आपको मिलेगा
managed to secure a seat.
Book it for us.
Book it for us.
2 seats.
Yes.
Please book it for us. हमने हमारा contact number दे दिया. She was so nice that when we reached home after an hour or half an hour only, she called us like तुम्हारा ticket हो गया, book हो गया.
And a ticket from Delhi to Melbourne, which was cancelled, was transferred to Delhi to Adelaide on 6th of August. हम लोग pretty excited थे. How are you feeling?
I'm very excited, pumped up to go to Australia. And this is 3:30. This is 7 and ये छोटे मोटे bags हैं, food bag and important document bag.
हमें ज़्यादा लगेज नहीं मिला है, हार्डली एनीथिंग. वी हैव रिमूव्ड लिटरली एवरीथिंग, राइट?
We have removed everything.
बट वी वर होल्डिंग आवरसेल्व्स बैक क्योंकि एक बार हमारे साथ कैंसलेशन हो चुका था एंड वी डिडंट वांट टू कीप हाई होप्स. हमारी पूरी तैयारी की.
And our fingers were always this way. They were like crossed always.
We are at the airport right now and Akash is wearing his PPE kit. Akash is going to sit in the middle, so he has to wear this PPE kit. You're looking like a doctor.
So after booking this flight to Adelaide, हमारा next task था to book domestic flight and also our stay.
क्योंकि गोवा टू दिल्ली सिर्फ एक ही फ्लाइट कंटिन्यूसली जा रही थी विदाउट कैंसलेशन, दैट वाज इंडिगो, और वो भी जा रही थी शाम को, एंड इट वाज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर अस टू रीच दिल्ली ऑन द सेम डे एज आवर एडिलेड फ्लाइट.
Bye Goa.
तो इसलिए हमें बुक करना था फ्लाइट ऑन द प्रीवियस डे.
So that's the reason why we had to stay in Delhi for a day.
Yes.
So guys, we stayed in Holiday Inn hotel. It was a very good hotel. It was a 5-star hotel. और वो सारे प्रोटोकॉल्स भी फॉलो कर रहे थे.
Trying to take all the precautionary measures. इसीलिए हमने टर्मरिक ऑर्डर किया है. रात को हम गार्गल करेंगे.
लगेज रेस्ट्रिक्शंस था ऑन एयर इंडिया फ्लाइट फ्रॉम दिल्ली टू एडिलेड वाज 30 kg. दैट इज चेक इन बैगेज. पर डोमेस्टिक ट्रेवल के लिए द अलाउड लगेज वाज ओनली 20 kg.
So we had to pay extra 10 kgs के लिए. हमारा लगेज बहुत ही ज़्यादा था. एक्चुअली कुछ ज़्यादा था ही नहीं, ओनली बेसिक बर्तन, वो सब दूसरे वीडियो में बताऊंगी मैं.
तो इन टोटल हम लोगों ने पे किया डोमेस्टिक ट्रेवल के लिए एक्स्ट्रा लगेज कॉस्ट which was 25,000 rupees.
Once again we were very excited. We had packed our bags. This time we were like sure अभी कुछ कैंसिल नहीं होने वाला है because next day हमारी फ्लाइट थी.
The time, I would say the moment we landed in Delhi, और जैसे ही मैंने मेरा फोन ऑन किया,
वाईफाई ऑन किया,
मुझे मैसेज आता है कि your flight has been cancelled. मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था.
आकाश literally shivering, you know.
Delhi airport with our luggage. We were waiting and we didn't know what to do. So we calmed ourselves down and we went to the hotel जो हमने बुक किया था. होटल पे जाके हमें कुछ टाइम बाद ईमेल आता है कि your flight has been diverted to Sydney.
We were like खुश, thank God, you know.
तो ये ईमेल था हमें. It was through Australian High Commission. दिल्ली टू एडिलेड जो फ्लाइट जाने वाली थी उसमें जाने वाले थे टोटल ऑफ 150 पैसेंजर्स
only. But guys, Delhi to Sydney flight which was diverted, they were supposed to take only 100 passengers. ऐसे दिल धड़कने लगा. We were like, you know, I hope we are counted in that 100 people and not the
rest unlucky 50.
Unlucky 50.
It was supposed to fly in 2 days, so we had to stay in Delhi for 1 extra day. तो ये जो बीच का एक दिन था, we went to Air India office in New Delhi. We had to constantly follow up with the Air India officials in New Delhi. और साथ ही साथ we were also in constant touch with the original
Goa
ticket.
Air India office people.
Yes.
We waited there for almost 1.5-2 hours, I guess.
तो जब लिस्ट आई प्रिंट होके, the Air India officials in Delhi told us that our names were within those 100 lucky people who were getting to fly to Sydney.
And we were happy.
पर फिर भी our fingers were crossed क्योंकि जब तक फ्लाइट take off till the flight doesn't take off, we were not sure that we were flying to Australia.
But we extended our stay in Delhi and we were all ready to fly.
After we were transferred to the Sydney flight, we made sure कि हमें नया PNR मिल जाए and we made sure कि ऐप में वो PNR दिखा रहा था. वेबसाइट पे वेब चेक इन किया तो वो दिखा रहा था and fortunately it was showing everything and everything was smooth from there on.
So finally it was our time to fly to Sydney.
So guys, we're standing in a line. Duty free, थोड़े shops open थे, but there are many shops which are closed that we are observing here. mask, sanitizer and shield has been given to us.
We had a total like roller coaster ride. It was like a memorable one. We will never forget this in our lifetime. The way we struggled to come to Australia was like too much we did.
It was a challenging journey. तो हम लोगों ने बहुत सारी चीज़ें during this journey experience की and finally we managed to land in Australia. That was Sydney, जो हमारे लिस्ट में कभी था ही नहीं. But yes, we are happy right now to be in Sydney. I hope कि आप लोगों को काफ़ी सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन मिला होगा. हम लोगों ने जो अपनी जर्नी शेयर की उसमें से आपको काफ़ी सारे टिप्स मिले होंगे.
I hope it was helpful to you guys. So guys, to watch such more videos, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also like this video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with all your contacts who want to fly to Australia very soon during this pandemic.
So till then, bye bye. See you
And have a nice day. See you soon.